all-time highs. Can you believe it? And we are locked and loaded right now with some juicy long trades. All right, we got 300,000 here, another 150K, another 315,000 on this long trade, and another 250,000 over here in $1 million worth of longs as we are shooting for this next all-time high. Make sure to like the stream. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we are excited and ecstatic right now for Bitcoin to hit this all-time high. A historic moment for Bitcoin. A historic moment. An historic moment. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right, we just got a little bit more. Just a little bit more to go before we hit this all-time high. Man, this is absolutely insane. I am stoked. I am excited. The 1 minute time frame giving us a little bit of a pullback, but we have some take profits set at some of these next levels on the all-time highs here. Look at this. This is literally insane, guys. This is literally and figuratively insane right now. In fact, I've never been this excited ever in my life as the Bitcoin price is pumping. Let's see. Shout out to Bernie. Yes, this stream is pre-recorded in 2021. Absolutely. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, it is, man. All right. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to Surface9 in the chat. Major shout out to Follow Baba. He says, I knew you were getting online, Jay. Let's feathering go. Come on. Let's go, says Alpha Bros 100. Shout out to Alex Wise, 100x pump, 10x pump. Bitcoin Euro hit the all-time high. That's amazing. Shout out to HFG. God bless you, HFG. Thank you so much for being here. Man, guys, I'm pumped and stoked right now. Shout out to my man, who I can't read. Shout out to Gene Fortin. This is a historic moment, y'all. All right, shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Marwan Abul Warth. And shout out to Preparing for War, holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to Quicker. Pump the Bitcoin, baby. Let's go. Shout out to Felix H. A boat's been beached in a rough bay outside my house here on the southwest coast of the UK. Big crowd gathered around. Big crowd gathered around to witness the all-time high of Bitcoin pumping, baby. Straight to the all-time high, man. And this is probably the largest position size I've ever live streamed before, combined with all four of these Bitcoin long trades. About $1 million, and I'm looking to take some serious profits at the all-time highs if we can make it. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's see if we can't make it. I haven't been looking at the charts in hours since I did my last stream. And when I saw we're creeping up to the all-time high, I said, man, oh, man, All right, so let's remove these drawings on the chart. Look at that. The red hour dot, the red 4 hour dot completely turned into a green dot. Man, guys, this is a historic moment. This is what we live for. Just kidding. But no, this is really what we've been waiting for so long, all right? Let's put this on a key level on the chart. Man, 73,780 on ByBit was our last all-time high. Let's see, actually. That's a little bit wrong. Yeah, there we go. 73,950. And we're at 73,500. Look at this, man. Now, what is going to happen? Are we going to have some significant follow-through? Here's the thing, guys. Breaking out of this range, I do believe we are going to have some significant follow-through here. I do believe we are going to have some significant follow-through upon the breakout of this range. And the reason why I think that, as we're approaching the all-time highs, I got butterflies in the stomach, man. Look, the reason I think this is because when you're in a range for this long, the breakout usually is significant, right? We've been literally trading in this range, guys, for 245 days. That's crazy. That is crazy. So what are some targets for the breakout? Well, first of all, for me, guys, 80K is a major milestone, psychological level. 80K from where we're at right now, it's not that much. It's about another 10%, right? It's not that much more than where we're at now. But we can also take some Fibonacci levels, some Fibonacci extensions, to try and achieve some more targets. So we'll take a trend-based Fib extension. We'll simply just take it from, honestly, I'm just going to take it from the last low that we made back here in January to the all-time high as it stands right now, and then pull it back down to the low we made in August. And you can see our 1-to-1 is going to be right around that $85,000. So 80K for me is a big level. The 1.618 is coming in at 100,000. And then the 2-to-1 is right around 120. So to be honest with you guys, those are really my 3 big targets for the upside upon the breakout of this. We're going to be looking right around that 80,000, right around that 100,000, and then right around that $120,000 Bitcoin as we break out of this range. Now, it doesn't mean we're going to go straight there, guys, but I do have to say this. The 2-week time frame has given us one of the most bullish. Oh man, we're pumping, baby. Bitcoin's pumping. All right, we're going to be hitting some take profits here, man. We're going to be making some money today, Lord willing, right? We don't know what the future holds for sure, all right? But look at this. I mean, let me set some dang alerts here. Every time Bitcoin pumps, we'll set some alerts, all right? As we are flirting with this all-time high, man. Let's remove all the drawings on the chart. Oh, man. This is nuts. So, this 2-week signal right here, the last time we saw a signal like this, as I said earlier today, was on the 4-day time frame. So we go to the 4-day time frame. And remember back in January, guys, when we saw the money flow crossing over like this, we were saying this is very bullish, because when you see this on a low time frame, when you see this on the 10-minute, when you see this on the 1 hour, when you see this on the 4 hour, it usually means massive pump shall ensue. Well, we got the big breakout of this previous range, and we hit an all-time high for Bitcoin. Now we're seeing this on literally the 2-week chart. Now, we have some nice targets ahead of us. All right? Now, I'm not saying we're going to go straight to $120,000. We might not even ever hit there. And we do need to be aware of, obviously, continuing to get pullbacks along the way up. But what I am saying is we have very bullish signals as we are approaching the breakout of a massive range that we've been trading in now for 8 months. And when you break a range that you've been trading in for 8 months, well, you're going to expect some significant follow-through. As Bitcoin right now is pumping. All right, she is pumping. Here we go. Here we go. Did I just hit a take profit on that? At 73.6? Did I just hit a take profit? Did BLOFIN fill my take profit? Wow. All right, so we've already made $12,000. Wow, we've made $12,000. Guys, we made $12,000 on this trade already, and we're up another $6,000. We've made $7,000 on this. We're up $22,000. I don't know how much we've made on this. This has been a trade I've been compounding, but we're up $7,000 on the day, still up $14K. And then, of course, the juicy swing trade that I've been in since August 5th, adding up along the way, currently is locked in $20K, $25,000 unrealized. Come on, let's go, baby. Let's go. We're coming so close to the all-time highs, man. We are so dang close. All right, we are so close. Let's see. We're going to hit 74,000. We're going to take out 75,000. There you go. That'll be our next order here. We're shooting for these all-time highs, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Bitcoin is approaching the all-time highs. We're looking to take profits at the all-time highs. All right. Got to give a major shout out to the Casper Crew VIP Discord, because this long trade you see right here, man, this is one of the setups that we gave in the Casper Crew yesterday. Yesterday it was a scary one. It was not the most didn't have the most confirmation in the world. But I let everyone know I was opening up that long from the VWAP yesterday. And sure enough, sometimes you just have that gut feeling. Even though we didn't have that much confirmation, sometimes you just have that gut feeling. And here we go, baby. We are pumping it up. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Crypto Friend says this is just the beginning. Where the short? I'm not even thinking about shorts right now. We'll come back to the shorts later on, all right? We got plenty of time now that we're in price discovery mode to range and look for shorts or whatever. All right, I need my Bitcoin says we're dumping. We're dumping. Can you imagine if we don't hit the all-time high? Oh my goodness. Holy crap, folks. We're dumping. We've got a massive red candle.
Holy crap, folks, we're dumping, and it's going to be huge. We got a massive red candle on the chart. Kamala Harris and her cronies are at it again. This is what communism will do, folks. We need to get together and make Jason Casper great again. Let me see a blue candle, babe.
All right. We've got a little bit of a red candle here, guys. But look, let's check out what's happening on the order flow right now. We are seeing CVD increase. We're seeing open interest decrease. This is a big move. And so far, the last few hours actually has not been fueled by new buyers coming in. Interestingly enough. All right, interestingly enough, let's see if we can't start to hit some juicy take profits. Come on, Bitcoin, come on. I think we can pump it up. I think we can pump it up. Fear of Paul says short it. I mean, I have no short entry here. I'm going to have to wait for something to happen, all right? I personally have no short entry right here. There is no reason for me to short. There's no technical level here for me to short. There's no real confirmation for me to short. I'm sorry, guys. For you bears, I'm sorry. You guys have seen me take 2 shorts along the way up. Both of them got wrecked because I had a reason to short. But I don't have a reason to short this right now. All right, come on, Bitcoin. Don't dump on us, please. We're going to have to sing the pump song or something. All right. The pump song will help. Are we shorting the top? Well, if we take the high and then get a liquidity grab, then yeah, then we could short the top. All right. But here we go, baby. We're about to sing the pump song to hit a new all-time high. This is a historic pump song. This is not your average everyday pump song. All right. This is all-time high type stuff. All right. Here we go, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Sometimes it has a delayed effect, but I think we can do it. All right. I think we can do it. Come on, guys. We can all do it together. We can all do it together. Come on, Bitcoin. To the all-time high, baby. Make sure to smash the likes, baby. We're in a 100x leverage long right now. We're going to have to lower the leverage just so we can raise it again. All right, we'll lower the leverage back down just so we can raise it again. Here we go. Let's pump. Here we go, Bitcoin. Don't dump on us now. Yeah. I think we can do it, even though we're starting to dump, all right? Here we go! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump, baby! Sometimes it has a delayed effect! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna dump! Yeah, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! We're gonna dump! No, we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah. Let's pump! Alright. No need to fear. We've got it, my dear. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's check out the 1 minute time frame. How does she look? We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, yeah we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Alright, we have a little bit of a purple candle. Oh my goodness, we're dumping. But don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Look, we haven't come this far for nothing. Alright? We haven't come this far for nothing. Alright, oh my. Down 1%. That's actually a pretty big dump. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh man. We're down. Down over $1,000. More than that. Oh my goodness. Come on.
We're gonna dump, no one gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pop. We're gonna dump, no one gonna pop. Pop the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah, we're dumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're dumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're dumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're dumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we gonna pop. No, we're gonna dump. Yeah, we gonna pop.
No, we're gonna dump right now. Bitcoin is absolutely dumping. Oh my goodness, against all odds. Who would have thought we would dump after a day and 2 and 3 days of only up only? It was up only. What is happening? Oh my goodness. Do I have to FOMO out of my long trade? We're gonna have to take a poll. Let's take a poll. FOMO out, yes or no? FOMO out. FOMO out of the longs, yes or no? We're gonna take a poll. Scary stuff, man. All right, we're starting to get a little bit of a wick. But, oh man. Sheesh. Sheesh. Let's pull out a fib.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Oh no. Oh no. It's okay, Jason. Time for your deep breathing exercises. Yeah. I was trading Bitcoin expecting the all-time highs. Then all of a sudden we dump. I start to cry as we sing the pump song just to pump the price. The market makers drop it back down. It's not very nice, but oh snap, looking at the chart, what do I see? A beautiful start of a nice little blue candle giving me some hope. Jason Casper up on the treadmill, what a dope. Do you think we could bounce it straight up to the all-time high? All I wanted to see was the Bitcoin price fly. Then we went long, $1 million. If you're bullish, then let me hear you holler. As we're approaching 73,900, the all-time high looking like a kindred. Yeah, better lower it down. We got the Bitcoin price about to smash into the ground. As we're getting a little bit of a dump on the 1 minute chart. Hopefully we don't bump it back down, but we take a look at order flow. We got the blue and purple candles, and what do you know? The last move up was kinda like a squeeze. We made a big sandwich with extra cheese. We took all the turkey and we took all the roast beef. Then we put on the mustard. As for ketchup, please, we took some cucumbers and onions. The charts looking around for a place to start, and then the candles turning blue, and then the candles turning purple. As we're dumping down mad low, got me running in circles. Don't you know Jason Casper, he's so delusional, taking all the trades, looking so blue, you know, blue in the face. What a big disgrace, bouncing from the golden pocket all up in the place to all-time highs. Bitcoin about to fly $75,000 in time. Before we end the stream, if you know what I mean, we got the plunger in our hand, looking at the laptop screen. We're trading, we're walking, we're taking those gains, we're making all the profits every single day. Yo, if you're in the chat, make sure to smash the like. After that, we can all go and ride our bike. The Bitcoin trade, I'm about to get it in. Trading on ByBit and ZOOMEX and BLOFIN. Speaking of BLOFIN, you want some rewards? Link in the description. Here's what you earn: 10% cash back, future bonus. Win a watch, win a chair, win a camera. Oh, this, even a bag of cash. The Bitcoin price, hopefully she pumps fast to the all-time highs. Don't you know we're up 1.5K? Here we go, you know, today. AJ, check it out. We already made 12K on the trout. Then we're coming back over here. Listen up, my dear. Now sit back, relax, listen as I spit it in your ear. We're bouncing right from the golden pocket. Can you even spot it? The price about the rocket ship. Then we're gonna rock it back up. I got the cup, coffee, looking like she just had enough. Coming back from the store, opening the front door. The Bitcoin price tried to crash into the floor, but now we're trying to bounce up. Take a look at market Cipher B. Between you and me, what do we see? We're gonna go to the 5-minute time frame. The Bitcoin price got me going insane. Now the beat's over. All right, here we go, baby. We're not gonna lose hope unless we start to lose this level. Oh, can you imagine the pain of a dump now after all-time highs were in the charts? Oh my goodness. Make sure to smash up the likes, guys, because look, we got $1 million on the line. We're dumping. Let's see what you guys say. Should I FOMO out? It's 50-50. It's 50-50. Come on, someone else vote. Someone else vote for us. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin.
Crystal made that hit.
Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. Come on. Bitcoin, come on. Whoa, Bitcoin, come on. Yeah. Come on, Bitcoin. Don't be so annoying. You know that the trading at the sound of my voice goes down when we want to go up to the all-time high, even though we've had just enough. Coming down to the 786. Don't you know the market makers back to their old tricks? Cause they made us go long at the very top, then they laughed on their face. They said the price will drop till they drop it down to the golden pocket. But I don't even know if you could spot it, but we came right down to the 786. Who is she? We'll take a look at her pic. Here's a picture of the 786 Fibonacci. Looking like the kind of girl who likes to play Yahtzee. Looking like the kind of girl who likes to see a lot B. Looking like the beard and the lips with the got B. Yeah, coming back over to the ByBit. Purple candles coming down, listen to J spit. As we're going up, we're going back down. I was smiling, but now I got a frown. Now I'm crying, oh my goodness, all my money is gone. I really regret the fact that I went long. And I told my wife we were long in the bottom, but it was actually the top. Now can you even spot it? It was so stupid of me to click the buy button. Come over and we look alive. Nothing at the 4-hour chart, got a red dot printing. Oh my goodness, so scary, like I'm minting money out of nowhere, like Jerome Powell, money printer going brrr, like about half an hour. But we only got a few $100 left till the all-time high, and that's what's coming next. Hear me out just for a second. Bitcoin price, the longs are wrecking. But don't you know, as we're coming up to the all-time high, about to have enough as we blow through the level. Bitcoin on another bevel, 85K, looking like she wants no bass, only treble. As we're playing guitar, driving in our car, going really far. As we're working the farm, planting the potatoes. Don't you know how they go? Eating the tomatoes, looking for oregano. Out in the spice garden, the sage. We got the hyssop growing out in the cage. We got the berries, blue and ras and red. All day, the trades and the bars are in my head. Hopefully, our longs don't end up dead. Are they in the green or are they in the red? Coming down to the 786, looking for a bounce. Hopefully, the trade we don't miss. Got $19,000 in unrealized. Hopefully, we get it locked in for a rise. Yeah, with the plunger. Bitcoin, hopefully, she don't go under. Next time, I liked it like an under. What's an under? I don't know. But sometimes when you're trying to rap, you don't know what to say. So you just stand back and gotta watch the price. You gotta make it look nice when you're making a choice between what's right and wrong. As I'm singing the pump song, the Bitcoin dumped down, she did me so wrong. Yeah. Alright. Let's see. Now. Okay. Here's the deal. Here is the deal. Should I FOMO out? 50-50. Come on, guys. We need more people in the poll. I need to know what to do. You guys right now are the determining factor between whether or not I walk away with $50,000 or if I'm totally broke. All right, this is... Oh, my goodness. Crap! Alright, alright. Alright, this is good advice. If she breaks to 200, you should close. On what time frame, though? Let's come back to the chart. We'll go to the 1 minute. We'll go to the 1 minute. We got the VWAP down here at 71.9. We might come back to retest 70K if we keep dumping, right? If we keep dumping from here. New York's about to close. And then we'll probably go for our all-time high tomorrow. Alright, so look, maybe this isn't an all-time high celebration. Look, I jumped the gun. I jumped the dang gun. We got a 1 hour red dot. I jumped the gun. I jumped the gun! Ah! Alright. The 1 minute. Alright, I'm gonna close this trade. Alright. Alright, we closed the trade. Alright. $13,000 on the day, baby. Alright, I can't be mad. Alright, I can't be mad. Alright, we're gonna have to... I'm also gonna have to take a little profit out of this as well. Alright. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna set partial stop losses on this. We can always add in later.
Crystal made that hit, boy.
Alright, here we go. Alright, man. Alright, look. I gotta do what I gotta do, guys. Alright? We're here to make money. Although we like to be sensational and hit those all-time highs. Alright? Although we love to be sensational and hit those all-time highs. Maybe we will. Maybe we will. Alright? Maybe we will hit some all-time highs. Oh, we're just streaming music. Wait, what? Oh, I'm a streaming maniac. How high can Bitcoin go? It could go 80, 100, 120. I think tomorrow we hit the all-time highs, but we might get a little bit of a pullback. Alright, we might get a little bit of a pullback today. Alright? In the next few hours, I should say. I really thought we were going to hit that all-time high. And maybe we still will. Honestly, maybe we still will. Maybe we just come down and make another push. But let's see. Let's see how she goes. I set some partial stop losses. I closed out that other trade for a $13,000 win. So now I am, let's see, 300 plus 150. So that's 450. 5, 6, almost $700,000. I'm about $700,000 long. So I've closed out $300,000 of my long trades. Alright, we had to lock in that win. Alright. So, look, I cannot complain. On the day, we're up right now. 7 plus 7. That's 14 plus another 13. So we're talking like 27K on the day, baby. Cannot You can't be upset about 27K on the day. But look, we might still hit this all-time high, all right? So let's see, 74K. We're gonna hit that next take profit at 74. Let me just actually. Here we go. All right. I hope we hit an all-time high, man. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's hit an all-time high, baby. Come on. We're pumping back a little. We're bouncing a little. Here we go, baby. All right. Shout out to Aaron G holding it down with the wrench. In California, what exchange could you use to go long? Look, BLOFIN right now is the way to go. All right. I just closed out my trade on BLOFIN, but we got ourselves 10% cash back that you could get if you use the link in the description of this video for BLOFIN. All right. And it does not require KYC. If you want a KYC, then I recommend MEXC. MEXC, the best deal on fees, baby. And for that, I recommend getting the Palu ID. All right, recommend getting the Palu ID. Let's go, baby. Here we go. It's not going all-time highs today, says ePoel. All right, let's check something out. Here's what we really need to be aware of right now, guys. Right now, we really need to be aware of this. The Fibonacci Golden Pocket retrace. All right. If we don't come above this zone here, then we could continue down a little bit. All right. That's what we need to be aware of right now. But let's go, baby. Let's go, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to set some alerts here. Let's go down to our 1 minute time frame. Let's just pull a local fib. All right. We'll set an alert at the golden pocket. Here we go, baby. We're back to liftoff. Yes! I know, there's no way it doesn't take that liquidity. I mean, eventually we're going to get it. The reason I closed out that trade on BLOFIN is because I was long from like 72.4. So, you know, I figured let me just take my $13,000 and run. The pump song ended the whole bull market. Can you imagine that? Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. That's so true. I've had enough freestyles this week to make an album, and it's only Tuesday. Tomorrow, Bitcoin will be in the news. Yeah, maybe. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. We're trying to hit our take profits. We're trying to do it. Our all-time high celebration stream. Can we do it? Can we do it? I think we can. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to RG Man. Dude, imagine Europe and China and Russia waking up to all-time highs. Massive. Oh, man. Shout out to HFG. Shout out to Aaron G. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Yeah, we front ran the all-time high by $600, give or take. Can you imagine? It just goes to the 100 weekly simple moving average from now. Honestly, don't know where that is right now. But I do believe that wait. I do believe that we are going to see that next big push up tomorrow, even if we get a bit of a pullback from here. All right, even if we get a bit of a pullback from here. All right, shout out to Divine Hood. He says watch 71.5 to 71.6. That's now a pitchfork support that we broke earlier today. Oh. All right, shout out to Jelly. Why does he keep walking? It's a big mystery that nobody really knows for sure. Nobody really knows for sure. Shout out to Juan, who says I'm actually walking backwards. Absolutely, I am walking backwards. It's hard to tell on this treadmill, but I need to walk faster. All right, let's pump up the miles per hour here. This is as fast as the treadmill goes. As fast as the treadmill goes. Yeah, I'm walking into price discovery mode for sure, for sure. Ah, man. Well, guys, I was really expecting to hit that all-time high. All right, looks like maybe I front ran it a little bit there. All right, looks like maybe I front ran it a little bit there. Let's check out what's happening on the good old order flow. Just a few dumb shorts opening up. I mean, they're not dumb. I mean, honestly, it's a good place to hedge. Honestly, it is a good place if you're feeling a little scarish and a little bit bearish. We got the VWAP at 71.9. So that's the 71.9, the VWAP. This is where I longed this morning. If you guys were watching the stream this morning, we longed that VWAP. Rode that action up. Currently close out the trade for $13,000. So we come back down to our VWAP right now. The VWAP is chilling at around 71.9. So we'll draw a little box of key support right here. But honestly, I'm looking at the 1 minute time frame right now, and we are getting some bullish trigger momentum coming up. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, 12-minute money flow. $73.5 NPOC. We had an NPOC at $73.5. What kind of NPOC? Was it a daily? Was it a secret level? Was it some kind of like session naked point of control? I don't even know if we'll go back that far here on exo charts. No way. No way! We had a naked daily point of control there that whole time, guys. Oh, man! Oh! How did I miss that one? How did I miss that one, guys? Alright, so we hit a naked daily point of control. And you guys know what that means. The last time we hit a naked daily point of control and rejected from it like this, we ended up basically, that was our last pullback. Alright, last time we hit a naked daily point of control, it was this right here. This was a naked daily point of control. Now, I don't think this is going to be like that because, look, up only, guys. We're in a golden bull run. All right? Joking. It could be like that. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. How did I miss that one? All right, shout out to our super chat, Trader 8. What do partial stop losses do? They basically ensure that you're closing in profit, right? It's like taking profit. It's taking profit, right? It's saying I'm not going to close this trade with less than this certain amount of profit, right? So if we dump from here, I'll be closing out of $100,000 worth of contracts, looking for basically to re-add it back in around this area right around here, right? So looking to add in again right around this area here. For a hopefully to the all-time high. Thank you so much for the super chat, Trader 8. I really appreciate you. How far down could we go? I mean, technically we could go down to 0, Scotty. There's no rules. There's no rules, all right? Shout out to Salt Pepper here. Why drop down when we're so close to the all-time high? I mean, anything's possible. I don't think we're gonna drop. I think we're gonna hit the all-time high. But we hit a resistance, which I didn't know about. That's really a shame that I didn't know about this resistance. We hit a resistance, and we're seeing a reaction from it. So this might be the start of a pullback before the all-time high. All right, this might be the start of a pullback before the all-time high. Can you imagine if we don't break out the range, though? I mean, you do have to contemplate these things. We could get a pullback. And honestly, the worst case scenario for the pullback, I would say, for right now, would have to be the 69.5. Like, worst case scenario, 69.5. Because, let's pull this. I'm pretty sure that's the value area high. Yeah, so, like, worst case scenario pullback is a back test of this area right here. Right, support resistance split, that's like literally a worst case scenario in my opinion, because I still think we're gonna go for those highs. In the meantime, we are looking at this local box here. So as we get this pullback, this local box right here is gonna be pretty key. 71.8, 71.9, the VWAP, plus if I'm not mistaken, it's the golden pocket, local golden pocket from the last low to high. So this is going to be pretty key. If this uptrend is going to continue today, this is going to be our area where we want to hold. And if we don't hold the area, we could expect a retracement back down to the macro value area high. Around 69.5 to 70K. Those are going to be our two areas of support where I'm going to be looking for longs on the way down. I don't think we're going to top out here, but so far, I do have to say the 1 hour candle could close bearish engulfing. And if the 1 hour candle closes bearish engulfing, that's a huge change that we haven't seen since, I mean, the last time we rejected from a naked daily point of control. Right, so let's keep our eye on this 1 hour candle. I will open up a head short if this candle closes in 9 minutes below this body of the blue. I will have to open up a head short to protect my my capital here. But yeah, that's what we're looking at right now, guys. So, man, what a stream, right? At first, we're going to all-time highs. Next thing you know, we're talking about dumping all the way back down to 0. But hey, that's crypto YouTube for you. All right, one candle changes everything. Shout out to JGD. Oh, wow, the CME hit the all-time highs. All right, let's check that out quick. Check out the CME. Yeah, so guys, the futures market did hit the all-time high. Okay, so the reason why we're getting the pullback now is for 2 reasons. Number 1, the CME chart hit the all-time high. Number 2, Bitcoin did hit into a naked daily point of control. All right, so that one caught me off guard. I'll be honest with you guys. That one caught me off guard. Am I bearish? No. Here's what we got to be looking out for. All right, 2 things. First of all, this is very bullish. All right, there's no need to be afraid or anything like that. But there's 2 major supports that we want to be interested in. Support number 1 is going to be this box here between the local golden pocket from our last low to our current high. The second support is going to be down here at the macro value area high. Same as it was this morning, guys. All right? Same as it was this morning. All right? So we got 69.5 to 70K as macro major support, worst case scenario support. We have local support at 71.8, 71.9, or maybe we just hold here, who knows, and we go for that high. That would be nice. All right, that would be nice. But either way, I have these partial stop losses set because look, we're here to make money. All right, it's fun to long it to the all-time high live on YouTube, but at the end of the day, I care about my profits more than YouTube epic streams. All right. We go to all-time high now. Let's do it. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Let's do it. Man, how awesome would that be if we do get a bounce from here, guys? How awesome would that be if we do get a bounce from here? And just blast through to our all-time high. That would be amazing. We're at the 382, says preparing for war. Nice. Let's see if we hold that 382, man. Man, this is amazing. What a day, what a week it's been, man. What a week in general it has been. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. All right, Frib from 70.8. This is our 382. CDW, the all-time high could be nice. It could be nice, Crypto Sir, but I don't think it's going to be that easy of a trade. It could be. It could be. Okay, now we're starting to pump back up again. This is giving me some hope, guys. This is giving me some hope. Come on, Bitcoin. Yeah, seriously, what a week. I mean, look. Trading is some stressful business. I'll tell you, I have not been able to sleep very well the past few days during all this pump. Not because I'm scared, just because you're so invested in these charts. We still haven't broken 5-minute market structure, baby. All right. Let's go. Let's go. We just need $1,000 more. We just need $1,000 more. All right, salt and pepper. Here we go. Come on, salt and pepper. Shout out to EOS Watchdogs, who has a beautiful pictographic Bible. That sounds cool. It's over 100 years old. That's cool. Margex is down. Well, I don't like Margex. Margex has screwed me over in the past, guys. I literally have not been able to close out of positions on Margex, so I stopped using it. I had an issue where I was up like $1,000. I couldn't close. I couldn't do anything. All right, here we go, baby. Come on. It's the Bitcoin rocket ship about to take off. The Bitcoin rocket ship's about to take off, baby. Big liquidations at 74. Let's do it. Am I trading with Bitcoin or Tether? Both. Both. Why not stack the Bitcoin and the Tether? But look, I'm doing both. Yeah, technically we already got a swing failure pattern on the futures chart, right? We technically already got that swing failure on the futures chart, which is a bummer if that's really going to be it. But, you know, ByBit tends to be the one that, not all the time, but a lot of times, ByBit's the chart you want to look at. But yeah, we already took that high in the futures. Just by a little bit. See that? Just by a little bit. Itty bitty Bitcoin. Itty bitty Bitcoin. Man, how is it possible that as soon as you start to stream, we hit into a naked point of control that was invisible for the past 8 months until now? I'm pretty sure that naked point of control didn't exist until now. How is that even possible? That's crazy. That really is so interesting that there's a naked daily point of control that I was totally unaware of. I didn't even have it on my chart. It's crazy. Crazy. That is crazy. Shout out to Tito Gaines. What happens if we break the all-time high? Well, one of two things. Either we got to fake out and we come back in and we dump all the way back down to the bottom of the range, or we break out and we probably hit 80K first, which is our 1-to-1 fib extension from the last low to the high. All right, J-Boy Bullish had it. Well, how come you didn't share it, bro? All right, how come you didn't share it? What's a naked point of control? It's a line on a chart that causes the price to do this, what we just did here. Causes price to do what we just done did here. All right. Dang, Boyan called that, huh? Boyan called that. Yeah, Boyan had it in the Casper crew. Boyan posted this. He's like, last resistance before all-time high. Yeah. Shout out to Boyan. All right. Look, I still think we're going to hit an all-time high. I just think now, because of this naked point of control, it's going to take us a little bit longer. And we're probably going to come down to test our white box first. And look, here's the deal. I am going to be looking for shorts now if we start to break local market structure, just to get myself hedged. You know, we start to come down to the white box and get a bounce. Just so everyone knows, you know, I would be looking for something like that with confirmation. All right, looks like we're about to hit our first partial stop loss. Which is a take profit, so we should be happy that we're hitting the stop loss, because it means we're making money. What's that smell? The smell of defeat. The smell of the market makers just playing games with my mind. Look at this, these market makers messing around with me right now. Look at these stupid market makers. They're like, let's mess with Jason. Let's stop him out. Just kidding. Oh no, we'll stop him out. Oh, just kidding. Just kidding, Jason. No, we're not gonna do it. See, nah, we got a blue candle. You know, just kidding, Jason. You know, look, they're messing with my heart. They're messing with my heart. Playing with the charts, messing with my heart. This is nuts. This is wild. This is crazy. This is redonkulous. All right. All right. All right. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. Love you guys. God bless you all in Jesus' name, even if you're not religious. Look, I got some things to do. If we're not going to hit this all-time high, we'll be back tomorrow. And maybe we've already hit it tomorrow. Maybe we haven't. All right. That being said, guys, I love you all. Thank you so much for being here. Peace.